Lofty goals there. The Jamaica Cycling Federation has big plans for the growth and development of the sport, and they are making a push to start at the grassroots level.
We intend, as I said, want to reach out to ISA with a nice proposal to bring cycling on the school and competitive level, and possible use the cycling as an event at champs as well.
According to First Vice President of the Jamaica Cycling Federation, Kamar Gordon, more corporate sponsors also need to bet on the sport.
Well, yes. What I like to say, though, is to reach out to corporate Jamaica to look in the direction of cycling, because cycling, we want to bring back cycling to where it was.
Gordon was speaking at the recent handing over of 82 cycling shoes worth just over $1 million to 5 different cycling bodies by Elevate Cycling Club.